Hey everybody. Sorry about the long delay between videos. I was getting kind of burnt out and had to take a break for a little while. Anyway, but I'm back now. And today I wanted to talk to you about the other reason why I had to take a break. I was trying to get an automation to work and I just couldn't. I ended up having to ask the TextExpander Support Team for assistance in developing or fixing a JavaScript code that would generate your age, basically. And so, without further ado, let me walk you through the process that I went through to finally get the code that I wanted to work. So, before we get started, this is the code that I found online that I assumed would work within TextExpander. So we'll go here to the code environment online that I used it and saw that it worked. This is the website and little bit of code that I found that seemed to work for my needs in TextExpander. And this is on my birthday, but this is just the date that I used as an example. So I thought all I had to do was drop this little piece of code from script beginning to script end, and voila, it should work. But it ended up being not that simple. So I took this script, and just so you guys can see, if I change this to 91, for example, and then hit run again, it makes the person's age younger, smaller. So here's what I took this script, copied it, and went to open TextExpander. I don't know why TextExpander does this. I'm going to close or minimize the browser window, and it is open. Okay, so before we look at this script, let's open a new TextExpander script by going to erasing the age here and adding a snippet. And here we go. And now all you do is go to JavaScript down here and paste what you have. And I thought, okay, this is all I needed. Now it's going to work. And the date is in here. And it should work. I gave it age 3 as an example. And then use that as the abbreviation, not the label. And then I'm going to make this age and put a space here. So I thought, okay, this is great, this is gonna work. But when you hit preview, you get error, JavaScript error, syntax error, unexpected token, less than sign. And for the life of me, I couldn't figure out where that would be. Then I saw here in this code, it could only be these little lesson signs that are in the right next to the word script. So I removed them and I deleted them from both ends of the script and here at the bottom as well. And then I hit preview again. And then I get this error. Error, JavaScript error, reference error, can't find variable document. So I had no idea what I was doing. I couldn't fix the error that I was getting. So I sent it off to the great people at TextExpander Support, and they looked at it and thought that I should remove the script tag as well, but then had another support person look at it and they gave me this script. So I'm going to type birthday. And here's what they provided. They gave me this birthday script. And then now that I just look at it, apparently I must have only been missing this word result here. So now, if you do take a look at this, so it's slash birthday. So if I go to, let's try, what should we try? No, TextMate. And here's a TextMate. And now if I type slash birthday, oh, I mistyped it. So I'm gonna do it again, birthday. Now I get a TextExpander launch snippet where it asks me to fill in my birthday. And if I type, what was it? 07/12/1990 and hit OK, I get age of the date entered is 31 years old. 31 years. That's with this. So I had to take this text, basically, or code, and try to figure out how to make it work with mine. So I took this little piece of code, copied it, new snippet. I'm going to go up here and go new snippet and paste the code again. And then it took me a while and I wasn't sure why it wasn't pasting correctly. But all I had to do to make it function like I wanted it to function was to remove this little section here and just put a date that's hard coded in. like you've seen before. And the result that I would get is this one here. And we're going to close this. Select it first and delete it. Close. And the snippet that I have is this one. If I type age, this is the one that I'm using right now. And you have, I'm not going to show the date in the video, but all I needed to have was a date hard-coded in, and then this script seems to run fine. But it took work from the great people at TextExpander Support to help me get to the previous script that I showed you, the birthday script, and then I had to figure out how to remove the fill text section and get it to function. I have to say that I did remove it almost right away and just replaced the text that was in here with the date. But it didn't work until I organized how the script was pasted in. I had to have it exactly the same to get it to work. So anyway, guys, that was why it took me a while to come up with another video, that and being burnt out. I hope you find this script useful. I was able to use this script in within a bunch of other snippets in TextExpander, so I never have to worry about fixing the age of whatever form that I was filling in. It would just automatically be there, automatically be updated, whether it's before or after my actual birthday for that year. It would give you the correct number. So that's what I have for today. I hope you find this script useful. I will have a link to the script in my paste bin collection, and you can use it from there. Of course, I'll have what's in here as blanks, an only indication to put in numbers in here. So with that, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you found this script helpful. And I will see you all in the next video.